Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can export your videos on CapCut PC. So just simply export your video once you're done editing. So select the export button here and make sure you have the video exporting enabled. Select the folder you want to save your videos in. I just saved mine in this folder, and you can also change the title here so it's easier to find. Here you can change the resolution. I usually go with these settings here. You can also use a higher bitrate for yours. You can also export the audio separately. It's going to still have the audio in the video exporting, but you can. I just turned it off for these two to just export the video, and then I'm just going to select the export button here. And once you're done exporting, you can select the folder to find where the exported video is. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!